Whether you're looking to supplement your income, earn some extra cash on the side, or even start a full-time online business, there are plenty of opportunities available that won't require any upfront investment. With the rise of the internet and the increasing demand for online services, it's easier than ever to make money online without spending a dime. In this video, we've compiled a list of 15 earning ideas that are free to start and can be done from the comfort of your own home. We'll cover a wide range of opportunities, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to online tutoring and content creation. So, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a way to earn some extra income, there's something on this list for everyone. Without further ado, let's dive into these 15 earning ideas that can help you make money online for free. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and explore these 15 ways to make money online for free. It was a pleasure to share these ideas with you, and your support through subscribing and liking the video would mean the world to me. Your encouragement and appreciation fuel my passion to create more valuable content. Thank you again for your support. First is freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online without spending any money. By offering your skills and expertise to businesses and individuals in need, you can work from home and make a decent income. Here are some other freelancing opportunities to consider. Web development. If you have experience in web development, you can offer your services to businesses in need of website design, development, or maintenance. Social media management. With the increasing importance of social media for businesses, there's a growing demand for social media managers. If you have experience in managing social media accounts, you can offer your services to businesses and help them grow their online presence. Photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can make money by selling your photos online through stock photo websites or by offering your services as a freelance photographer for events or businesses. Video editing. With the growing popularity of video content, there's a high demand for video editors. If you have experience in video editing, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals in need of video content. Translation. If you're fluent in more than one language, you can make money by offering your services as a translator for businesses or individuals. Copywriting. Copywriting involves writing persuasive and engaging content for businesses, such as product descriptions, email campaigns, and sales pages. If you have a talent for writing and persuasion, you can make money by offering your services as a copywriter. Overall, freelancing can be a great way to make money online without spending any money. By leveraging your skills and expertise, you can provide value to businesses and individuals and earn a decent income from the comfort of your own home. Second is online selling. Selling products online can be a great way to earn money without any upfront investment. In addition to selling on Amazon and eBay, there are several other platforms where you can sell products online for free. One such platform is Etsy, which specializes in handmade and vintage items. If you have a talent for creating handmade products or have access to unique vintage items, you can list them for sale on Etsy and reach a large audience of buyers. The platform charges a small fee for each listing and takes a percentage of the sale price, but there are no upfront costs to start selling. Another option is to sell on Facebook Marketplace, which is a free platform for buying and selling items locally. You can list items for sale in your local area and connect with buyers who are interested in purchasing them. This can be a great option for selling large items like furniture or electronics that may be difficult to ship. Selling digital products is another option for making money online without any upfront costs. Digital products like ebooks, courses, and printables can be created and sold on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Sells. These platforms allow you to upload and sell digital products directly to buyers, with no need for physical inventory or shipping. If you're skilled in a particular area, you can also sell your expertise online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer your services as a freelancer, providing services like writing, graphic design, programming, and more. These platforms take a percentage of your earnings, but there are no upfront costs to start selling your services. Overall, there are many opportunities to make money online through online selling, and many of them require little to no upfront investment. By exploring different platforms and finding the ones that work best for you, you can start earning money online in no time. Third is social media. Social media has become an increasingly popular platform for people to earn money online. In this section, we will discuss 3 different ways that you can make money through social media: influencer marketing, YouTube channels, and Instagram shops. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has become a popular way for businesses to promote their products and services on social media. An influencer is someone who has a large social media following and has the ability to influence the purchasing decisions of their audience. If you have a large following on platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, You may be able to monetize your social media presence by partnering with brands for sponsored posts. These posts typically involve the influencer promoting a product or service and receiving compensation in return. The compensation can vary depending on the influencer's following and engagement rates. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can also be a great way to earn money through ads and sponsored content. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, with over 2 billion monthly active users. Many YouTubers have been able to build a loyal following and monetize their channels through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and sponsorships. To start a successful YouTube channel, you'll need to create engaging content that appeals to your target audience and consistently upload new videos to keep your viewers engaged. Instagram Shop. Instagram has also become a popular platform for people to sell products and services through an Instagram shop. If you have a business or want to start one, you can create an Instagram shop and promote your products to your followers. This can be a great way to reach a new audience and increase sales. You can also promote your shop by using relevant hashtags, running paid ads, and collaborating with other Instagram accounts to reach a larger audience. In conclusion, social media can be a great way to earn money online. Whether it's through influencer marketing, starting a YouTube channel, or creating an Instagram shop, there are many different ways to monetize your social media presence. However, it's important to remember that building a successful social media presence takes time and effort. You'll need to consistently create high-quality content and engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Lastly, paid-to-watch videos. There are some websites and apps that offer to pay you for watching videos and ads. While this may seem like an easy way to earn money, the pay rate is usually very low, and it can take a long time to accumulate enough points or rewards to cash out. Additionally, some of these websites and apps may not be legitimate, and you could end up wasting your time without ever receiving any payment. That being said, if you are interested in trying out pay-to-watch videos as a way to earn some extra money, it's important to do your research and only sign up for reputable websites and apps. Some examples of legitimate websites that offer paid-to-watch videos include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Vendale Research. These websites offer various ways to earn money, including watching videos, taking surveys, and completing other online tasks. It's worth noting that pay-to-watch videos should not be seen as a reliable or sustainable way to make money online. While it may be possible to earn some extra cash in your spare time, it's unlikely that you'll be able to earn a significant income from these websites and apps alone. If you're serious about making money online, it's better to focus on other options like freelancing, online selling, or teaching and coaching, which offer greater potential for earning a sustainable income. To further expand on the conclusion, it's important to note that while there are plenty of ways to make money online for free, it's not always easy or guaranteed. It takes time, effort, and sometimes even a bit of luck to succeed in any of these endeavors. However, if you're willing to put in the work and explore your options, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online without spending any money up front. Some of these methods may even turn into long-term sources of income, allowing you to earn a steady stream of cash without having to leave your home. It's also important to approach these methods with caution and do your research before getting started. While some opportunities may seem too good to be true, there are also plenty of legitimate options out there. Be wary of scams and never provide personal or financial information to anyone you don't trust. In conclusion, making money online without spending any money up front is definitely possible, but it's important to approach it with the right mindset, strategy, and caution. With the right attitude and effort, you can explore these options and potentially find a new way to earn income from the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.